Hi there! In this short tutorial we are going to learn how to remove password from protected PDF. Here is our protected PDF. When we open it, it asks the current password, which is 123123 in our case. So let's do it. If this tutorial is useful for you, like and subscribe us. Go to any browser, type unlock PDF, go to the site, not for the first one. Select your PDF, and here type the current password. After that, press the unlock button. It's ready to download. Download it. You can find your PDF by pressing the Show in Folder button. We hope you like and share it with your friends. Comment below your opinion whether this tutorial helped or not. Thank you for watching and supporting us. Ta-ta for now!